Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video we will explain the hatch command, a very important tool that lets us create a visual pattern inside a closed shape so we can indicate the type of material that the shape will be using. Let's open the hatch command from the ribbon and see what it can do. To open it, we need to type H in the command line. This is the hatch window, where we can customize every hatch setting. The pattern setting lets us choose the graphic pattern that will be applied to the hatch. These are codified by material. We can also choose a color, and the swatch field will let us preview the hatch. Angle and scale can also be modified. Let's try and draw a hatch in this enclosed shape. As we can see, when we hover the mouse over the shape, the hatch will be previewed. We can hatch the full rectangle, the small squares and the circles, since they are all enclosed within each other. Now let's try hatching this open rectangle. We will encounter an error message, since the command hatch only works if we draw it in an enclosed space, so a hatch cannot be created inside an open shape. If we complete the rectangle, we will be able to hatch it. Now let's see this section of the settings, the boundary settings. If we select the Select Object Settings, we can click on each object to hatch the entire space that is enclosed within it. So for example, if to click the outer rectangle, everything inside will be hatched, including the squares and circles. Let's change some of the settings so we can see the difference in hatches. If we click on this icon in the hatch window, the island settings will be made visible. This will also allow us to choose how the hatch interacts with the islands, meaning the enclosed spaces within the hatch. We can choose to hatch only the outer, alternate between them, which is the normal setting, and ignore, which will just hatch everything. This was everything about the hatch command. Keep tuned in for more LusoCAD commands.